having some kind of weird
Taco Bell dog.
tick snow war thing.
Hurts my toes.
Why? Why? Why are you
Making
picking on
fun of me for getting hit in the face by a snowball? You know what? Oh!
Let's go. One, two, three. The champion and still undisputed heavyweight champion of the world.
John, Ray's all traumatized.
Yeah. Oh, you get out of here. Oh, sorry.
Well, that was funny. Oh, okay, the makeup session.
Hug your father-in-law.
I want none of you.
And here's the one who started it, Joshua.
Started it, but I just watched.
Did you just do a Venice symbol?
I just started.
You did a Venice sign.
Peace.
Oh, yeah.